Hi.
Hello. So it's almost Christmas 2020, and this year we are spending it together for the first time. And for the first time in our lives, we're spending it away from our families. So we decided we wanted to make something special, some special decorations for our flat. And today we're going to get started on our project of making a Christmas wreath.
I like it. This is harder than what it looks like because Gandha is very into yoga videos, and for me it's the first time actually. So what we got here are oranges and limes, and we have a very sharp knife, more or less.
An empty plate,
Very easy. Other
some
oranges.
more oranges and
And the
limes.
secret ingredient that has been put behind the camera, actually cloves. Now, you want to add something?
So we're going to do two things with the oranges. Part of them are going to be sliced, and part of them are going to be kept as close to the whole thing as possible. We're going to experiment with two different techniques. One technique, which is what we've seen online that loads of people are doing, which takes up to 2 days to dry the whole fruit with the pulp. And then Mattia's experiment, which is to actually empty the orange from the pulp and fill it up and stuff it with paper and try and keep that shape that way.
Because I think that will take just a few hours to dry. So this is going to take forever, so you're going to see the highlight of the video. So okay, that is the perfect start. Now that we got some slices of limes and oranges, Gandha and I just realized that before we continue cutting, like there is no tomorrow, oranges and limes, we need to understand how big our wreath will be.
Okay.
What about this? Slightly bigger.
Okay.
I love it. I really like it.
Good.
Yeah.
It's done.
It's done. I want to do today is to probably with the knife cut the end of the orange around, remove this, peel it with the cut on the side, and see if I'm able to remove the internal fruit and then reconstruct the bottom of the orange.
I think with the limes we could actually try and dry them, because they're a lot smaller, so they're not going to take 2 days. I think even 1 day will be enough.
Yeah.
So I think we can do limes more traditionally and oranges more
What if we squeeze
creatively.
them? Gandha, say it. Say it. Come on. Say that if they like the video, what should they do? I'm already subscribed. I'm already your, oh no, probably subscriber number 1. I hope. Anyway, she doesn't want to say, if you like this video, put a bit like, thumbs up, thumb up. If you don't like it, don't do anything. If you really like it, you can even subscribe to the channel. But yeah, we are not cutting oranges here, or in the, the whole channel is about yoga. So we finished. We have very nice orange peels with a bit of orange inside. Okay guys, so we set up the table to do this. We have the paper, we have the oranges, we have the glue gun that in the meantime is already gluing. Okay, good. A piece of cardboard, just to avoid what I was actually doing, so gluing the table. What we want to do is to create some balls with the paper. We want to put the balls inside the oranges and then glue all together. We finished to stuff our oranges a bit like people stuff the turkey. So now we have these 5 oranges that we are going to dehydrate alongside all the other slices that we cut previously.
So if you have a dehydrator, you can do what we are going to do in a moment. If you don't, you can do the same in the oven.
But remember to set the oven to the lowest temperature possible, because it is a slow process. You don't want to burn, you want to dehydrate.
So we have the fruit in the dehydrator and we're setting it at 63 degrees Celsius for 12 hours.
Yeah.
We're leaving it overnight and checking it in the morning.
So we got the fruit, dried ones. We got some
star anise and some cinnamon sticks. And for our base, we're going to use a hanger.
Yeah, yeah, we have some hanger. Yeah.
Yes, so literally cheap hangers from the dry cleaners, and we're going to try and open them and make them into a circle, and that circle is going to function as the base for our wreath. So let's see how it goes.
Okay, so after some work, and be careful, because if this hits your eyes, then you're not gonna spend Christmas at all. Okay. So we have a diameter that is more or less like a pizza, which is 30 to 33 centimeters.
Or 12 and a half, almost 13 inches.
Yeah, 13 inches, yeah.
Let's see if it goes through.
Yeah. You have the honor to start.
Okay, so we start with this.
Yeah, let's start with that.
So we've put these cinnamon sticks together and we've put them in through our slices of fruit. So now we're ready to continue decorating with some star anise that we're going to super glue to some of our fruit, and then we have a ribbon that we're going to put at the top. We'll probably pop out and get some leaves to just finish decorating it, and then we think we might be done.
Well. To continue our process, we found this little square of fabric and we want to make a bow out of it.
This is our beautiful bow that we're going to stick on our wreath tomorrow. Tonight we want to just give it a second round in the dehydrator just to make sure that it's all well dried up. And also we just felt that it's quite heavy, so just to make it a little bit lighter, we get rid of some more water in the fruits, and that should make it a little bit lighter.
Awesome. Cool night. Let's say 60 degrees Celsius. We are good.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye. Okay guys, we are ready for the final steps. We remove it from the dehydrator and we are ready to add the final bits.
So we have some ivy here that we're going to use to decorate it, and then also our beautiful bow, and that should be us done.
Okay, great. Let's do it. Ta-da!
There we are. This is our beautiful Christmas wreath, and now our final step is going to be to just hang it on the door, and we'll take a photo so that you can see our beautiful wreath. Handmade, completely handmade, just by the two of us, mostly with things we had at home.
Yeah,
and with some fruit and some leaves that we picked out outside.
Mm-hmm.
So
yeah, I'm very happy with the result. I can't believe that we were able to do such a wonderful wreath.
and it's our very first one.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!